shoot, wait, I don't have my face camera. Oh, no, it's up there. Oops. I'm not new to this at all. Here, let's go move over here. Ooh, look, it's on new now. Okay, we're gonna move out the way. Move out the way. Okay, we're gonna do another YouTube playable. Because we have nothing better to do in school. We're not gonna play Dog Escape, though. We're not gonna get a second part today.
You're gonna play Snake Clash.
Snake Clash?
No, Snake.
Oh, Snake Clash. No, that's the Snake IO, is it? What is it then?
I guess you have to find out.
Oh, I guess the viewers will also have to. Also, if it's horrible, don't blame me. Blame Wyatt, because he sucks at choosing games. Look, I'm not new to this streaming stuff anymore. Watch this. Watch it. I can move over here.
Like pretty new.
I'm not new at all. Watch this. Ooh, oh, you know where I'm gonna be. I'm right there now. Why are my playables only playing Solar Smash? I don't want to play just Solar Smash. We gotta do something new. This is exactly what every other YouTuber has done. I gotta be different from them.
You're on YouTube.
I know, but I gotta be. This is my $100,000. I took a clip.
Oh, like my glasses?
Is this clip not available? Oh, okay. I can't play any other game. We'll play Solar Smash then.
I don't know, they should still be big. Maybe they should don't run. Squeak. We have like 5 minutes.
Solar Smash, let's go. We do Planet Smash. I know it's System Smash. System Smash Loki kind of buns, just like Wyatt.
Alright. Y'all ready to grade? You want me to throw it on the screen and grade it? Yeah. Okay.
I got a 0, by the way, guys, if you're all wondering. Hey, we're gonna full screen this. I gotta move my camera out the way. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, throw one asteroid at Israel.
Alright, here, grade.
Here you go, Google.
I think Israel should be here. Bye-bye, Israel.
What the heck?
Israel's gone.
Okay.
Well.
Okay, you know, who's
Number
gonna
1.
get India.
Question 2. Answer.
Oh, wait, I found it. Damn, I'm stupid.
Yep.
Throw an asteroid at the sun. Oh, we can't do that. Where's Hawaii at? Why do you think it's always safe? So we're gonna teach her something new. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do Pearl Harbor V2. We're gonna finish with a Jap student. Hey buddy, what you doing? Oh wait, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, that's good.
Wait till...
Okay. The Japs get their, and you're okay, you suck.
The rest are right.
Oh.
So.
Alright, well, I guess Japan got to look back.
So if I miss 4.
Matter of fact,
75. 88.
we don't like Donald Trump anyway, so boom, there he goes. Am I safe? I should be safe. I should be good. I'm safe. I'm safe. I don't know. Why you just gonna have to figure it out? Or you have to watch my stream? Watch my stream, bro. Okay. I don't like Spaniards, so there we go. Sorry for my viewer from Spaniard. Or Spain, I mean. Boom. We're gonna get alien abduction. How about that? Let's go abduct some people in China. China's still here. No, China's still here. Okay, what about 2? No, let's do 3.
How many?
Dang, they were ready for that. Okay, what about this? Okay, what you got against this, China? Oh shoot, they're ready for that. Okay, let's get ourselves dirty. Let's get ourselves in there. What's this? Yeah. Ooh, boom! Shit. Oh. You got anything to say to the viewers, what? No? Oh, you being a little shy now? A little shy boy? He's super shy right now. He's very, 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 very petite, by the way. He's also kind of gay and works at Bell's. Broward, Texas, by the way. What's your address again, Wyatt? My viewers are asking for your addy. They're asking for your addy, bro. Okay, Star Wars. Wait, look. You know, fly does that. It's like, team stand up. Wait. So say rewind. It's still fun. Oh my god, what the heck? Listen to this. Boom. Oh. Black hole. No, red hole. See, this is Wyatt, and this is me right here. Take that as you wish. And there's still 415 million people alive. Okay, let's get Ramio in here. Ramio from Evangelion. Let's get Brazil out of here. Brazil been untouchable, getting blue balled this whole time. Alright, Brazil's gone. I'm pretty sure it is. So. Yeah, it might be 2020 again. Cthulhu get chilly, and I don't know what's there too.
Hey, that's crazy. We work with IBM. We're scaling AI as we speak.
I don't know what to do next. It's kind of the same thing over and over again. Let's just start a moon. That didn't even do anything. Alright. Oh. How do you have so many moons? Or throw a moon into the black hole. I think it's getting like it. Likes to be in the video, so I'm feeling a little alone. What's this one? Oh, it's just one single one. Why would I do that when I have a whole swarm? What's this thing doing? It's just standing. That's so lame. Get this thing out of here. Oh, wait. I didn't know I could do that. Oh, shoot. You'll find it. Ooh. Oh. Case remaining because I'm bored of this game because it didn't let me play anything else. I wanted to play something else later. Solar Smash. Bye bye.